Hi everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back. It's actually a very short walk today. Another one of those that you could do after work on a summer's evening when there's nothing on the telly. Truth be told, you could probably do it in your lunch break. It's that short. I'll be surprised if it's 2 miles, to be honest. But it's quite a nice one on a beautiful day like this. It couldn't be any better. I started off in Brockholes, which is a small village in the Home Valley, West Yorkshire, not far from Holmfirth. We're just going to be walking around through the countryside, through a few woods, see if there's any bluebells, anything like that to have a look at. Should be interesting. We're going to finish off walking along the river home, back into Brockholes and back to the car. Just a short one, like I said, but should be some interesting and nice things to see. So, why don't you join me? I'd love you to be along for the ride. Let's go see what we can find. Let's have a quick look at the route on the map. Today's walk starts in the village of Brockholes, between Honley and Holmfirth. After leaving the village, we go past Home Valley campsite, cross the main road, and then we're into Hagwood. We leave Hagwood for a short while and drop back down the side of the valley towards Brockholes. We follow the river home along the bottom side of Hagwood back to where we started and journey's end. Let's see if I can get across this road without getting killed. Oh guys, what a beautiful day. It's the 9th of May 2025. I feel I ought to put the dates on these videos more often because it's quite often that it's a few weeks after they've been recorded that you get to see them, because I've got them stacked up on YouTube ready to be published. So it's not quite the middle of May, but the weather's fantastic at the moment. Really lucky to be out in it. And today is one of those days when I'm actually not feeling overdressed because I've left the old overcoat back at the car, and I'm going to risk it. It's only a short walk, so I can't imagine that it's going to rain today. This is the edge of Hagwood, not far from Thongsbridge. And we're going to be exploring this wood. It's actually a place I know really well because I was brought up just around here, and I used to play in these woods when I was a kid. Of course, that was a million years ago. And Hagwood is a big area of woodland in the Home Valley. It stretches from Thongsbridge down the valley almost to Honley, and Brockholes by the river home. We'll be going back down to Brockholes and exploring the river home a little bit later. Oh, this does bring back some memories, I have to say. Playing around here, building dens and what have you. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. Can't believe I'm so lucky to have the opportunity to have a walk around here. Oh, what's this? What's all this about? Oh, I think it's a squirrel feeder thing. Well, I think it is. What do I know? Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Wow, not seen those before. It is a while since I've been up here. A few years, I have to say. Check out the canopy. Still some light coming through. It won't be long before it's completely covered. We're very close to the road, as you can probably hear. It's the main road that goes from Holmfirth down to Honley and then on to Huddersfield. There's little havens like this, right next to a busy road. It's wonderful. I'm glad this wood's still around. I don't know who owns it or what the score is with access, but long may it remain. Okay, we have to cross this little road here. It leads down to the crossroads on the main road. We'll just nip across here and oh, look at all these bluebells then. Now we're talking. Okay, what does it say here? This woodland is privately owned. Please take only photographs and leave only footprints. Thank you. Well, that's a treat, isn't it? Look at those gorgeous bluebells. Well, whoever owns this wood, thank you for letting us through. We really appreciate it. Oh man, I can smell the bluebells as well. They are wonderful. And now we're emerging from Hagwood. We're going to walk down this road for a little while. I'm just going to turn off down this little snicket. See if we can get across the road and down towards Brockholes this way. Oh, I can nip across. That's handy. And that's the new housing development that's been built in the past couple of years. We're going to try and get down here because this should take us to Brockholes. Just the edge of Brockholes, then we're going to go back into Hagwood and follow the river. When this was all fields, I sound like my granddad, but when this was all fields, there used to be a footpath that used to go through and across there. I wonder if it's been reinstated. That's for another day, I think. There's a little gapette. That's cool. So you can get through here, that's good. Just have to watch out for diggers and bulldozers and things. Yay! Looks like they might restrict access at some times. Now this is the edge of Brockholes again. We're going to go across here. I think we go through somebody's yard to get back to Hagwood. So, yeah, that's right. We go up here. Gate action. Cute little gate. Whoa, that looks a bit narrow. Again, it's one of those occasions when I'm glad I'm pencil thin. more gate action. Lots of groovy gate action today. Groovy gate action, yeah. And we're back into Hagwood. And there we go, there's the river home. Oh, a bit of boardwalk action. Just what we need. Oh, look at these magnificent beech trees here. I remember these. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous canopy. Well guys, we're almost back at Brockholes now, so that's the end of the video. I'm going to sign off there. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's only been a short one, but we've packed plenty in and we've had some great weather. So what's not to like? Talking of like, if you've enjoyed it, please hit the like button. Smash that thumbs up button, 2025 style. And if you've really enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. I'd love to welcome you aboard the channel. Anyway guys, it's been great having you along for the ride, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Cheers for now. Bye.